Step 1. Select mode and project info. First, on the main screen, you'll see two options. To make things easy, move your mouse to the left and click on AI Director mode. This is the Let AI Create Ideas for Me mode. Now a project information form will pop up. We just need to fill in the basics here. Once you're done, move your mouse to the bottom right and click the pink Start Creative Process button. Step 2, choose your style, 5 simple steps. Now the AI Director is analyzing your info. It's very smart. It will digest your data and guide you through 5 simple steps. Here's a tip. For each step, look at the bottom where it says AI Director's recommendation. If you're not sure what to pick, just follow the AI's suggestion card. But if you have your own preference, you don't have to follow it. You can pick whatever you like. Step 1, video style. The AI recommends cinematic film for a high quality look. Let's hover over that card and click to select it. Step 2, tone and mood. Next, for the vibe. The AI suggests being professional and authoritative to build trust. So we'll click that. Step 3, hook strategy. How do we grab attention? The AI suggests starting with a problem pain point. Click to select. Step 4, narrative structure. To match the hook, the AI recommends a problem solution structure. We'll go with that. Step 5, character strategy. Finally, the character. Even if the AI suggests something else, you can choose your own. Here we want a human element, so move the mouse to the top right and select single presenter. Last step, final review and custom ideas. After those 5 steps, you'll land on the final review page. Just take a quick glance to make sure the details are correct. The most important part is here at the bottom, additional remarks. This is where you can key in your own creative flair. We're going to type in our specific vision. I want a 25-year-old Malaysian Malay female character wearing a red t-shirt. The video should be a bit funny, with animals like a gorilla. This helps the AI understand exactly what's in your head. Once you're happy with the description, click the Proceed to Technical Setup button on the bottom right. Finally, select a storyline. The system has generated 3 unique storyline arcs for you to choose from: the Jungle Guardians, Corn Crisis Control, the Great Corn Heist. You can read the brief summary on each card. For this tutorial, the first one looks interesting. So hover over the first card, the Jungle Guardians, and click to choose this storyline. Now just sit back and wait. You'll see the loading bar as the system writes the script, plans the visuals, and polishes the details. And done. Here is your complete video blueprint. You can see it has broken down everything into scenes. For scene 1, it gives you the image prompt, the visual style, and the script. Basically, everything is ready. You just need to copy these prompts into your video generation tool and you're good to go. It's that simple.